Today, we're going to be on Lesson 10, page 69. Again, that's Lesson 10, page 69. If you need to pause the video at any point in time, you can, so you can write things down or go back and watch it if needed. Today, we're going to use division to find the least common factor, or the smallest fraction. So we would take 4/8, and we're going to divide 4/8. What is the biggest number we can divide 4 and 8 by? Remember, it has to be the same number on the top and the bottom. We could do 2, but 2 is not the biggest number. So we would choose 4, because 4 is the biggest number that we could divide 4 and 8 by. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we would say 4/8 is equal to 1/2, or equivalent to 1/2. Let's look at the next one. We have 12/16. What could we divide 12/16 by? We could divide it by 2, but 2 is not the biggest number we could divide by. What if we divided it by 4? 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 12/16 is equal or equivalent to 3/4. Look at C. We have 12/20. What could we divide 12 and 20 by? That's the same number. We could do 2, but 2 is not the biggest. So let's think bigger. What could both of those numbers go into? So we could try 4 again. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we found that 12/20 is also equal to 3/5. The next one, we have 16/20. We're going to divide that number, and we want to find the biggest number we can divide it by. Again, we could do 2, but 2 is not the biggest. So for this one, we choose 4 again. It will not always be 4 that you divide it by, but these problems it is. So 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 16/20 is equivalent or equal to 4/5. All right. You are going to be working on your exit ticket or your Zern lesson for Lesson 10. Make sure you are working on your Zern lesson and finish Lesson 10 today. If you do not get it finished, work on it at home.